Imagine, if you will, the life of a cat who lives among the chimneys of London. Not the postcard London of landmarks and souvenirs, but the intimate city, the one of soot-darkened bricks, drifting steam at dawn, and the constant murmur of footsteps that never quite seem to arrive anywhere. This cat owns nothing, and yet inhabits everything. The chimneys are his vertical kingdom, narrow tunnels of ash where the leftover warmth of the day becomes a nightly embrace. There he learns a truth humans often forget, that there is no real division between shelter and journey. Home is simply the place where one pauses long enough to feel the body. Arises the way warmth does in brick, without announcement, without explanation. The cat hears human conversations leaking through windows. Worries, ambitions, regrets, they sound curious, like bells ringing without knowing why. He answers with a yawn, not from indifference, but from understanding. For he senses that human suffering often comes from the effort to be something other than what one already is. Symphony. Closely, we realize that this cat is who we were before we learned to divide the world into problems and solutions, before we forgot that living is not about arriving somewhere else, but about walking or sleeping exactly where we already are.